In the strictest sense of pure geometry, reaching for a protractor to draw a perfect angle is basically cheating. To build highly accurate spatial models, the rules allow you exactly two pieces of equipment: an unmarked straightedge to guide your lines, and a standard pair of compasses to map out your arcs. Today, we are going to build a master geometric framework. Step by step, we will draft exact 60, 120, and 90-degree angles completely from scratch. Geometric construction uses strict structural rules to prove spatial relationships, replacing the need for arbitrary measurement. This diagram shows a 60-degree setup. Draw a baseline ray OA. Strike a large arc from vertex O to P. This compass radius must remain absolutely locked. Keep that exact setting, move to point P, and strike a new intersecting arc to find point Q. Now take your straightedge and draw a clean line from your origin point O straight up through the intersecting point Q. You have just constructed a mathematically perfect 60-degree angle. By locking the compass radius for all 3 points, O, P, and Q, you mapped out an invisible equilateral triangle. The geometry handles the math for you. Now we expand to 120 degrees, using that exact same locked compass radius. Plant the needle directly onto the 60-degree crossroad at point Q. Strike another arc further along the main sweep. Where it crosses, mark point R. Align your unmarked straightedge from the origin point O, passing directly through point R, and smoothly draw your line. You now have a 120-degree angle. But this mark serves a deeper structural purpose. It establishes the precise outer boundary we need to erect a perfectly perpendicular vertical line. This schematic shows the right angle junction. The 90-degree angle sits exactly halfway between the 60 and 120-degree marks. Strike a high arc from point Q. Strike an opposing arc from point R to create intersection S. Drop a vertical line from S to origin O. You've secured a 90-degree corner. It is derived by balancing the equal tension between the 60 and 120-degree points, proving its perfect alignment without relying on a set square. Using the Bisector protocol, we can slice any angle into 2 completely equal halves. Apply this mathematical method to your 60-degree setup, and it perfectly yields a 30-degree angle. Apply the exact same bisection across your 90-degree corners opening, and you generate a 45-degree angle. Every standard angle required in basic geometry can be extracted from the drawing you just made. You simply take the primary framework and cut the required pieces in half. Look at the completed page in front of you. You have constructed a flawless, intersecting framework, anchoring 60, 90, and 120 degrees on a single baseline. You generated this highly accurate spatial model using nothing but an unmarked straightedge and a single fixed compass radius. Now, try applying these rules yourself. Take the Bisector protocol and run it inside the spatial gap between your 60 and 90-degree marks. Cutting that 30-degree gap in half will lock in exactly 75 degrees. Mastering these basic constructions gives you the power to structurally command the space on the page instead of simply tracing lines.